An AK-47 rifle and a handgun are the latest find for the security forces 5 days into the state of emergency in St. James. The weapons, along with ammunition, were found on Rifle Lane in Flanker Monday morning. It is not clear if anyone was held in connection with the find. This find brings to 4 the number of illegal guns reportedly found in St. James since the state of public emergency was declared in St. James last Thursday. In the meantime, a release issued by the security forces headlined JDF says its tip hotline is a success. The hotline 837-8888 is proving to be extremely valuable. Major Basil Jarrett points out that persons should be wary of information they see on social media. On the weekend, a number of photos of men listed as wanted in St. James were circulated on social media bearing the JDF's hotline number and slogan, "Take Back St. James." It is still not clear if that list is authentic. People have also called our news centre, outlining that their relatives and friends are being detained at the Freeport police lockup. It's understood that some of those detained are refusing meals. Legal aid attorneys say they have not been able to provide assistance to those held in detention centres so far. President of the Cornwall Bar Association, Stacey Ann Young, says that is because there is no system in place at the centres to accommodate legal aid attorneys.